Hey there, furnace owners. If you're dealing with the frustrating Rheem furnace error code 58 in 2025, you're in the right place. This error often signals issues with the flame sensor or ignition system, which can leave your home chilly and your wallet worried. Don't panic. I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step fix that could save you time and money. Let's dive in. First off, safety is key. Before you start tinkering, make sure to turn off the power to your furnace at the circuit breaker. This prevents any electrical mishaps and keeps you safe. Once that's done, grab a flashlight and some basic tools like a soft brush or a multimeter if you have one. Now, let's get to the root of the problem. Error code 58 usually means the furnace isn't detecting a flame properly. Start by locating the flame sensor. It's a small metal rod near the burner assembly. Carefully remove it by unscrewing it from its position. Use a fine emery cloth or a soft brush to gently clean off any soot or buildup. This is a common culprit, and a quick clean might resolve the issue. After cleaning, reinstall the sensor securely and restore power to the furnace. Turn it on and see if the error code clears. If it doesn't, check your gas supply next. Ensure the gas valve is fully open and that there are no leaks. Use soapy water to test for bubbles around connections. If everything looks good but the problem persists, it could be a faulty ignition control or wiring issue. At this point, if you're not comfortable proceeding, it's best to call a professional HVAC technician. They can diagnose deeper problems and ensure your system is up to code. Remember, regular maintenance like annual inspections can prevent these errors altogether. There you have it, a straightforward way to tackle Rheem furnace error code 58. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Stay warm, and I'll see you in the next one.